Okay guys, how are y'all doing today? So today we'll be replacing the CV axle on this '06 Mazda Tribute. Hope y'all have been enjoying all the other content. If you're new to the channel, please remember to like, share and subscribe. So we already removed the brake rotor, the brake pads, bracket. You can refer to our other videos for brake replacement and also front brake rotor replacement to see how we did that. So first thing today, you want to make sure you will be able to remove this 32mm nut. And if you don't have an impact wrench or a breaker bar, I would recommend you trying to get that pulled first before you attempt this job. So here we go guys, let's get into it. Next thing you want to do is remove your ABS lining. That's an 8mm bolt. So we just remove that, get it out the way. So you just want to tuck that out the way guys. And just for safety, put back that screw, that bolt into the hole so we don't lose it. Next thing we want to do is to separate our tie rods. So what we need to do, so to separate your tie rod ends guys, I recommend just going to AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts or whatever store and renting one of these tools. It makes life much easier. So first thing you need to do guys, you see as you can see guys, on this bolt on your ball joint, you got a cotter pin. You need to remove that first, and then we can remove that 18mm crown nut. Okay guys, so the next step, we're going to remove these two 18mm nuts and bolts from your strut. That way we can get this to fall down, we can have more play, and we can pull the CV axle from the back, and then we can remove it from our hub. So let's get to it guys. I actually seen somebody had stripped the threads on this, so I had to use my impact wrench to get it, but thankfully we were able to get it done. So let's get it guys. So now we got to remove the 2 bolts. You can either use your mallet or a flathead screwdriver with that. So you try to bring it back, take some of the weight off it, and then we can knock them out. Okay, there we go, guys. So now we can separate this from the strut. Alright, so now we have more access to getting our CV axle out. So all we gotta do now, guys, I recommend setting a pan under the area where it's coming from, the transfer case in your transmission. So that way you can return that older transmission fluid, and also remember to check your transmission fluid after this job is done, or you may lose a great amount of transmission fluid. So let's get to it, guys. Okay, guys, so now we just got to pull the CV axle out from the transfer case, and then we can knock it out from our hub here. Okay, guys, sometimes your CV axle might not come from the trans axle freely by hand, so you got to get one of these, also a ball point puller. So you can use this on the back and get it also pulled out. So you just need to get under the vehicle, get it behind the trans axle and the CV, behind the CV axle, and then just yoke it. Okay guys, finally got it. So now we can just let that drain and then we replace the CV axle, and then we gotta knock it out from the front. So I'm gonna show you all that procedure, guys. So having that yoke is definitely a great option. You ain't got much play under there, but you just gotta make it work. Okay guys, so the next step is to get the front end of the CV axle separated from the hub. So you just want probably a Phillips screwdriver that you can fit in here. If you got a punch, that works as well. So okay guys, finally got off that old CV axle. And here it is. And it was a stress to get it off. So here's our new CV axle. There's the old. So without delay guys, let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so this seat or CV axle, you just want to hold the front right here and make sure it's straight and give it a couple pushes on and you will feel when it goes in. Just make sure your splines are lined up and double check everything when you're done. And you're good to go. So okay guys, one thing left to do is align back your hub with your CV axle and then you just do the reverse of all that you did earlier. So you just want to put back on your CV axle nut here, do not tighten it down, and then connect back your strut, your ball joint, and you're good to go guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to go ahead and subscribe now. God bless. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this content was helpful in you solving your problem with your CV axle. Thank you guys. Have a great day.